Hi guys, welcome back to more Penumbra, Black Plague. So yeah, in the last video, lots of stuff happened. That's about all I can say about it. So yeah, let's get to it. Hey, I got the lights working. I guess I don't need this anymore. Oh, how do... Okay. Oh, wait, that means the door's working. Okay. I'm a big smart one. Is this even recording properly? Oh, Pope. Okay, I'm gonna have to check my video settings to make sure I'm using my microphone. Because I'm starting to think I'm not. Alright, my fears were turns out I was completely wrong. I am still using my microphone, so all is well.
If we must continue to share this brain space, I think I should have a name.
Not a whole lot of space to
So
save
rare
or
an
share.
opportunity to select one's own nomenclature, and yet I find myself at a loss. Any ideas, monkey?
Farty butts. Poop pants McGee. Baby
So much
bubble blower.
storage in this mind of yours. Did you realize you got an entire section in here devoted to film titles? 3,103 and a half films you've seen?
I don't think I've seen that many.
You only got the first half of It's a Wonderful Life in here. Huh, how does it end? Now I'll never know.
I don't know. Probably not well.
You know, Clarence, that's not a bad handle. I am something of a guardian angel.
Oh, I've been able to move this whole time. I've been just sitting there. I've just been sitting there losing my mind. In the corner. Okay. Wow, big area. Okay. It's a map. You tell me if there's someone at the door, right? I can't really hear. Talking to Marky. Never mind. Thought I saw something. You know, maybe I should start playing on this monitor. Maybe I'll do that in the next one. Excuse me, sorry. We'll see. Nope. Yeah, I got one. Oh, I was just here. What's in here? Nope. Bum bum bum. It's a mattress. Nice. Does everyone piss their sheets in this place or something? .105 ammunition? It's clearly not important. Maybe it's important as a stepping stool, but anything else is dumb.
There's just something about a rusty saw that just makes me purr. Had a tetanus jab recently?
Shut Shh, shh, shh. Okay, now I'm starting to get bored. Shut up. Am I supposed to be going or something? Like, am I not doing something right here? Or does he need to be in here?
Someone there.
Is that what I'm supposed to do? Make the monster come in here or something?
Nothing.
Not very smart, are you? You're creepy, but you're not very smart. Oh, I forgot to mention in the last video that I've also played a little bit of Outlast. So yeah, I've played a few horror games, but not a whole lot. I'm guessing that if I walk through this, I'd die. Yeah. Oh, Boxy's gonna make it through just fine. Can I crouch under it? No. Oh, I thought I had it that time.
Look here. It seems, yeah. The visual cortex of this monkey is certainly of a simplistic design. If I can just... There, you see? It's like molding clay. Hate to interrupt you while you're showing off your logical problem solving. Let me put it more simply. You see what I want you to see. Well, it won't work if you move around, will it? You can't look up the magician's sleeve.
I'm not sure how that analogy really works, but okay. Anyway, so you want me to look at this. Or maybe it's this. Just had the option to look at something. I don't like that crouches. You toggle crouch in this game. It always messes me up. Okay. Oh! That was really easy. Okay, I probably should have expected that. Okay, maybe now. Damn it! Oh, okay. Ow. Yay! Save. Dr. Richard Eminis. Yeah. Theoretic effects of controlled infection. Report requested by Overseer Frisk on behalf of the Elevated. For the record, I see no value in recording this information at such an early stage in the project. However, we were to assume that the virus could somehow infect a host without fully taking control of its upper brain functions. We might observe the following. Fact. Translator Lafrusk, in his ignored efforts to prevent the release of the virus, correctly predicted that the virus was capable of manipulating the host's motor neuron functions. Theory: we're an instance of the infection controlled and sustained. We may find that the virus seeks to keep its host alive in whatever way possible. Suicide would be against the rules. And B, the virus gains control over some or all sensory faculties, facilitating just such an objective. Fact. When the virus infects a host of any species, it adapts the organism's brain functions as best as it can to suit its own purposes. Theory. Were the virus unable to fully take hold, it may develop some partitioning of the host's consciousness, effectively perverting a small corner of the host's mind to form... Okay, never mind. Perverting a small corner of the host's mind into a form of secondary personality. Fact. The Toomgite virus was released from, according to Lafrusk, a tomb many centuries old. Theory. That were some mental segmentation to occur, it seems plausible to suggest that each personality, the virus and the host, may have access to one another's memories. Given the age of the virus, this may be a substantial collection. It should be carefully noted that the bulk of the above remains conjecture, and should not be relied upon in any archaic protocol.
I'm not you. I'm part of something larger. We are nothing. We are a mistake. I need to rejoin them. Release me. Let me out. This is not right. I should be with them. I am them. There should be no I.
What?
Yet, this is not the first time. Another was infected. Red. He so wanted to, but we would not let him die. Did he call us a disease?
Alright, I actually do really like this game. I never got this far, and I never got the chance to give the story an honest chance. Well, I guess that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and, yeah. I'm really liking this game so far. Thank you so much for recommending it to me. Yeah. Again, this is pretty good. It's sort of amnesia-like in its mechanics, but the story is just so cool. I've never really had a story or encountered a story quite like this one. But then again, I haven't really played a whole lot of horror games, so this may actually be a common theme amongst horror games, and I would never know. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!